Today we are going to learn how to build a simple project from scratch. Now let's learn how to put a backdrops and put a new sprites in the project. To put a new backdrop, you could use these little buttons. This picture button will help you choose a backdrop from a library. This is a backdrop library. There are indoors, outdoors, castle, city, and a flying backdrops of holiday, music and dance, nature, backdrops for space, sports, and underwater. And let's choose a backdrop for flying. Let's choose this blue sky actor. Press on this and press OK. Here you could see your backdrop, but you could just paint a new backdrop or upload it from a file, or just use your camera to create a new backdrop. Let's learn how to paint a new backdrop. This brush will help you to paint with your mouse pointer, and this line will help you to draw a line like this, and these shapes will help you to draw different kind of shapes like a rectangle or a square. There are two kind of shapes, filled and outlined, and they're exactly same for the circles too. And you can write on the backdrop too. You should choose a font. I'll use a scratch font. Then press anywhere and just write. You could make a font different too. Helvetica will do, and you can change your text color like a pink or a green or a red. I prefer yellow. Then if you convert to vector mode, you could do more things, but vector mode will not be helpful in the backdrops, but it will help in the sprites. Let's learn what sprites are. The sprites are little creatures or people that will do something. You can just like backdrops, you can choose a sprite from a library, or draw one, or upload from a file, or use your camera to create it. From this button, you could choose a sprite from a library. There are all the categories, themes, and types: bitmap type and vector type. Now there are all themes: dress up, dance, flying, holiday, music, and animals, fantasy. Let's choose this butterfly. Now with these buttons you could duplicate or delete or shrink or grow your sprites, and with this button, this will help you to understand the block. If you click on this, your mouse pointer will turn into a question mark, and if you click on any block, it will help you with some block, but we don't need it. In our next tutorial, we make this butterfly fly and say anything. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.